I didn't take anything, and still I did everything on my own. So decision making is really important. We should never drag our problems with indecision. That is the biggest thing.
पता है इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात क्या है यहाँ पे, मेरे को बड़ी हंसी आ रही है, क्योंकि जो फायर वॉक होता है ना, जैसे आपने बोला, इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क टू डू, राइट? ऑब्वियसली लोगों को ना नॉर्मली चलना पसंद नहीं है. आपके दिमाग में ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि मुझे चलना तो है और मुझे आग के पत्थरों पे चलना है? लाइक दिस इज वेरी इनसेन टू थिंक अबाउट. मतलब मैं फॉर्म में भी देख रहा था यार, इन्होंने सच्ची में फायर वॉक ही लिखा, ये टाइपो है ये, क्योंकि इट इज वेरी अनहर्ड ऑफ. आई नो नाउ बिकॉज बट फॉर अ कॉमन पर्सन इन इंडिया इट्स अ वेरी अनहर्ड थिंग ऑफ. राइट. सो मुझे ये जानना है कि यार ये गुजरात की लड़की है, सूरत में है, शी इज ट्राइंग टू एस्पायर फॉर बिग ड्रीम्स, शी इज वर्किंग हार्ड, शी इज फिगरिंग आउट. ये चलने वाली बात कहाँ से आ गई बीच में? लाइक हाउ डिड दिस आइडिया इवन पॉप इन योर हेड?
सो दिस वाज एक्चुअली जब मैंने फायर वॉक किया था, मैं सीखने गई थी एक्चुअली फायर वॉक. तो मुझे उस टाइम पे आई वॉज कम्प्लीटली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड विद माई लाइफ. मतलब हर तरह से आई वॉज इमोशनली ब्रोकन, आई वॉज मेंटली ब्रोकन, and I was going through a very, very tough phase of my life. My daughter, I was expecting, I was 2 months pregnant at that time.
Okay.
So I was going through a very, very difficult phase of my life, which became the turning point of my life, by the way. So उस टाइम पे I was on the verge of giving up. Like for the very first time it happened in my life कि नहीं यार बहुत हो गया, मैंने बहुत कर लिया सबके लिए, अपने लिए भी बहुत कर लिया, अब नहीं हो रहा है तो भाड़ में जाने दो, just go to hell. At that point of time I decided, मैंने कहीं से मुझे वो ad दिखा, and it, you know, again as I said that universe always talks to you through signs and audios and visuals. I saw a small clip of, you know, a person walking on fire, and that was an advertisement basically. Then I thought कि ये कुछ अलग है, interesting है, because I was frustrated, then I was very much fearful to try something new. I didn't know where my life was going. I didn't know what to do with the child who is about to come in the world that way. So then I registered again. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे वो फायर वॉक के सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए, because at that point of time it costed me around 40,000-50,000 rupees, something like that.
And what was the year, by the way, यहाँ पे?
I think I'm talking about 8-9 years back, yeah.
Okay.
So
okay.
maybe 2015,
16, 17 years.
Yes, like that. So I didn't had the money, of course. तो फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं से, because when you want to do it,
You do it.
पैसा arrange कर लोगे, you will do it.
You'll figure out.
Anyways, you'll figure out. And I went there, I went in Pune, and I learned. And when for the very first time when I walked on fire, I was not able to actually. I was very fearful. But then the trainer, he helped us and all that stuff happened. So the moment I crossed the bed of fire, the burning coal, I was a different human altogether. I mean, I had a different energy. My thought process was very clear, and then that gave me a lot of confidence कि अगर आप ऐसे ये भी कर सकते हो तो फिर आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. The moment I came back, I increased my prices by almost like 10 times what I was used to charge earlier, and for my services, after that I started charging like almost 10 times more than that. And to my surprise, I was astonished. People said yes. To that as well. Then there was no looking back, because then I had an unshakable confidence in me that if I can do this much, then I can achieve anything in my life. Anything.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. नहीं, ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा टेंजेंट है, बिकॉज आई थिंक पेन जो होता है ना, आई थिंक उससे बड़ा कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का टूल नहीं है. मतलब अगर मैं बहुत किडिश सा एग्जांपल दूँ तो हार्ट ब्रेक से लोग बॉडी बना लेते हैं. सिमिलरली आपने फायर बेड से लाइफ बना ली. Right? And there is a line that is coming in my head, is that when the world decides for you, you might quit. But when you decide for yourself, you keep going.
True, very true.
Right?
I agree.
And it just popped up in my head while you were, you know, sharing your side of a story. And that's when I realized कि यार हम अपने लिए decide ही कितना कम करते हैं life में.
We need to decide. We need to take a decision. I'll tell you something here that when I talked about this fire walk, now if you're talking about decision, I'm going to tell you the power of accurate decision making, if I can say. Not accurate, but आप decision लो सही से, उसका power कितना होता है. So I just spoke about fire walk. I was 2 months pregnant at that time. I was about to get separate from my husband at that point of time, and it was a very difficult phase of my life because everybody except my parents was against this. they were telling, they blackmail you. All
Yeah.
all relatives will become advisors, and they will advise you. Please go back. What will happen to the child? Go about the child, or what kind of life are you going to give to him or her? Who is going to marry you again? Compromise करके रहना पड़ता है बेटा, क्योंकि देखो हम इतने सालों से रह रहे हैं. I didn't that life. I didn't want that life. I had big goals. I had really big goals, and I wanted कि नहीं. I want to be a role model for this child. One auntie came and told me कि it's okay, it's fine, you can get married again, but get rid of the child. I told her one thing: it's in me, and it's my decision whether to keep it or not. So I will decide. So finally, I took the decision to walk away from that emotional pain which I was getting through my in-laws or whatsoever. I wanted to be free mentally. And that was a really tough decision of my life, because I didn't take even a single penny from them as an alimony. I didn't had anything. मेरे पास कुछ था भी नहीं, मैंने कुछ लिया भी नहीं. And that made me so damn confident कि मैं खुद ही कर लूँगी अपने बच्चे का जो भी होगा. All of a sudden my parents said, कुछ लिया भी नहीं, कुछ है भी नहीं,
अपना नहीं तो बच्चे का सोच लेते.
अभी क्या? मैंने कहा मुझे नहीं पता, but I will figure out. And if this situation has happened, I'll overcome it. And then I took that decision, no matter how hard it was. And I'm so grateful to universe and to God that I took that decision. Because अगर वो decision नहीं लिया होता, then my life would have been same as it was 9 years back. But I took that firm decision, and then everything, came so closer, and everything just went so peacefully. But I got rid of that one thing, and I took that decision that way.
आई थिंक देन हमने बात की स्टेप 1 अवेयरनेस, स्टेप 2 इज टू डिसाइड फॉर योरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
अगर हम आपकी जर्नी को देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, लाइक फॉर जैस्मीन, ऑब्वियसली शी वाज अ गर्ल, ट्यूशन की है, एंड देन दिस यू सॉ एन एड ऑफ फायर वॉकिंग एंड देन यू डिड इट डिस्पाइट ऑफ, लाइक नॉर्मली अब तो मेरी और ज़्यादा रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ गई है. पता है क्यों? क्योंकि नॉर्मली लोग क्या होता है, इवन इन अ हेल्दी, सो यू वर प्रेग्नेंट, बट इवन इन अ हेल्दी सिचुएशन ऑल्सो पीपल वुड फियर डूइंग सच एन एक्ट, राइट? एंड यू चोज टू डू इट डिस्पाइट all of the other pain in your life, and you chose a path which was consciously more difficult. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को कोई फोर्स कर रहा था कि you don't take alimony or you don't do whatever. You chose to walk the way you walk.
Yeah.
Right? And that rock bottom से उठ के आना, the amount of confidence and grit that it gives you for the rest of your life is something only a few people can achieve, and that is the reward of the universe and God for you showing the courage at that point of time.
True.
And मैं ये इसलिए भी realize कर पा रहा हूँ अब, क्योंकि I think in everybody's case, not just my case, your case, anybody who has gone through something that has transformed them, they must have taken one decision which is absolutely insane for other people.
Yes, true.
But for you, it might have been a child's walk now when you see it in the past. अब आपको मैं बोलूँगा कि आपको फिर से फायर वॉक करना है, you're like, yeah, I can do it. Because you have tamed the fear already.
Yeah.
Right? मेरे को अगर कोई बोलेगा कि you might die, you might meet an accident again, because again when I start riding my bike, you might have the same डर का feeling, या what if somebody hits me again, what if I go through the same pain again.
Yeah.
But you surrender. You surrender that it was meant to teach you something. It was meant to push you towards what is meant for you, right? And that is what I'm learning brick by brick through your journey.
I feel, Neeraj, we should never drag a problem with indecision. That's the biggest mistake. I realize people do it, and I didn't do that. Second thing, कितने पैसे मिल जाएंगे, मैंने realize किया. 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. My self-respect is way more higher. In fact, I should say invaluable. कि आप इतने में तो I cannot sell my self-respect कि okay fine, पैसे ले लिए and अलग हो गए. No, I didn't take anything, and still I did everything on my own. So decision making is really important. We should never drag our problems with indecision. That is the biggest thing.
Yeah.
No matter how difficult it is, you should take decision.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है, देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन, कीप ड्रीमिंग I'll see you in the next one.